Oh, he's moving.
Mm-hmm.
The other one on the porch, he's not moving. He's dead. I killed him already.
You told me you didn't kill him.
I didn't.
You didn't?
No.
Okay.
Oh, he's going. You better take a picture before he run away.
Isn't it pretty?
Yeah. He have black things on him.
Mm-hmm.
How ladybugs are tiny?
They're tiny. I don't know if they're so tiny.
Maybe they're friends.
Maybe we are friends.
But the other one can't go up there because it's dead.
I know. Something smashed it. And you said you didn't smash it, right?
No. Maybe my Jeep smashed it.
Maybe you just did.